So if you see me move at you like that, like this, anything defensively, say bang. Okay? All right. So the guy has a gun to my head. What are you demanding for?
Money.
You want my money? Sorry,
Give me money.
I don't want. Okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Ducked into that one. Everybody ducks into that one. Was that fast? When he says bang,
I was behind you.
I redirected it. Even if he has a bullet or round in the chamber, he's only gonna get that one round off. Why? I've taken the gun out of battery. Now I have the slide. Stepped in, broke his grip, struck him with the butt of the hammer.
Do it again.
If he has it to my head, very simple. First of all, you do what comes natural, which is to raise your hands. So you have it up,